Hi folks, this week we bring you more from our travels in beautiful Romania. We're going to show you the sights around the historic town of Sighisoara, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here's the view from above the town, which is nestled in the foothills of the Transylvanian Alps.
And not too many people know this, but Sighisoara is also the birthplace of Vlad Tepes, or Dracula, also known as Vlad the Impaler, who actually ruled this area of Romania in medieval times. We're going to show you the 500-year-old inn where we stayed, and we'll give you a tour of this amazing town, including the house where Vlad was actually born. So stay tuned and join us on today's adventure.
And this is the place. See that yellow building there? This is where Dracula was born. It's now converted into a tourist attraction and a restaurant. We're gonna have a beer there, and we're gonna cheer for Vlad Tepes. There it is.
Welcome to Second Wind Adventures, where we start the next chapter in our life, where retirement can be fun, exciting, and challenging.
Follow along with us as we continue to transition from our regular full-time work life to a more flexible lifestyle that includes cottage living, adventure travel, and our dream to circumnavigate the globe on a sailing catamaran.
This is us, Alina and Monty. We would love if you joined us so that we can share with you the trials of achieving our goals.
So this is it, Casa Savri, a 500-year-old inn that's now a boutique hotel that we booked online through Expedia. Let's go in and check it out.
Okay, so like I said, this is the oldest house in Sighisoara, and the year it's 1068 years ago, so almost 500 years ago. All of these up here are original from that year. Everything is from that year, and we have 7 rooms, and all the rooms are named by people that used to live in this house. So there are 7 families, but the most important people of the family put the name of the room. And your room is Wilhelm. So we used to be an architect, a very rich architect here in Sighisoara. And then he put the electricity in this house. Not like 500 years ago, but
Later.
Yeah. So it's the oldest house in Sighisoara and the first house that received electricity. So the Wilhelm, the architect, made this thing happen. And the reception is not open 24 hours. When you want to go, just the lights are in the right side of the walls. So here we have a bar. In the night, if you want just to stay, to relax, to play pool, to drink something, we let you a piece of paper. You write it down, the name of the room, what did you drink, and then at checkout you will pay.
Honor system.
Yeah.
I love that.
We have an old piano like 200 years ago.
Wow. That's so cool.
This is all.
This is awesome.
All our furniture, it's picked from everybody from Sighisoara. They like to throw it, to put it in fire. So like all furniture from the rooms from here, it's like almost 200 years ago. So we just pick it from everybody and put it in our
Very
museum.
cool.
And this is all original from that year, from 500 years ago. And here used to stay the horses in the old time.
Yeah,
like
Oh wow!
a stable.
Yeah, stable. Yeah,
I can see.
Yeah. What do you think? Do you like it?
it's very nice.
Yeah.
When I saw the pictures on Expedia, that's why I booked it. This place looks really cool.
Yeah, my husband made the reservation, so he did.
He did a good thing.
Thank you.
This is old, like.
Yes.
So it's from the reception here to the bar, and then to the restaurant, all original. And here you can find some pictures that shows like 7-8 years. The reconstruction was take like 7-8 years.
Yeah, that's very cool.
To remake all the house
and how they
Oh yeah, it looks great. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Great.
And about the keys, these are original. So
Oh.
I know it's not so good for you, but you should keep it with you. Why? Like I said, the reception is not open 24 hours. And when I'm not here, you should lock the door. Whenever you go out, you come in, you have to lock the door and keep the keys with you.
Wow.
So the smallest one is from the room, and the biggest one is from the gate outside. They're almost the same size, but this is the small and this is the big. Okay?
Okay.
I will go with you to show you the room.
Okay.
Okay? And we have a terrace. Here in the night, you can stay just relax. Here it's the whole of Sighisoara.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and if you want me, I can recommend you some restaurants where you want to go to eat or something.
Sure.
When you go from the you take the luggage, okay?
It's like a castle.
Yeah, the old, I know. And this is our room. Every room, there are only 7 rooms here. As Joanna, the receptionist, mentioned, this is our room, Wilhelm Leonard. And this used to be the architect. And by the way, these are the keys.
I know, pretty cool.
The smaller key to the room, and this one is to the outside.
Yeah, I mean, check out the solid wood doors,
And check out the
the old school
old-fashioned.
locks.
Check out this. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Let me put the key in. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Pretty cool. So everything here is original. If you see the wood posts at the top there, the furniture, we're told that they purchased the old furniture 200-300 years old. And yeah, very traditional. Really, really pretty. Look at that. Everything.
That's some
Look at
bed.
the wooden chest. Look at our bed. Look at the furniture. Like, look at the frame of the bed.
Yeah,
That
it's
is
like,
amazing. Oh, and this.
Ooh.
Watch your head. They I'm trying to remember.
that looks like a baby cradle.
It's a baby crib, yeah, and they used to also have. They put water. So I guess it's multi-purpose, but
Those is a bath.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very.
Gotta watch the beams by the window here.
Oh.
Got our own little cannon on the floor.
Yeah, just in case. Very nice.
A little makeup or laptop workstation. Yeah, it's a little low actually, but all right.
This is very cool.
Soaker tub.
Yeah, nice. Very nice. And I guess they upgraded the bathroom.
Oh yeah, the floors are marble.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, very like retro modern.
Modern and retro. Very cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
So pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So that's the Hotel Savri in Sighisoara. And we're here one night, and it's our last night, so we'll check out some more.
Radio.
I know.
I remember my grandparents had something similar. That is way old.
It's so cool.
Yeah. So let's take a walk around this historic town. It seems that every town has a center that is up on a plateau overlooking the rest of the area.
You tired climbing up all these stairs?
Yeah, man. Tired. In Sighisoara.
So tell us a little bit about Sighisoara.
Well, Sighisoara is a UNESCO World Heritage Place because of its architecture and long history. And always up.
Yeah, so long history. It was built actually by German merchants, and it was quite an important town way back when in Europe. And it was at the, I guess, the intersection of the Latin culture from Central Europe and the southeast part of Europe, which was Byzantine Orthodox culture. And it was quite an important town. It was a fortified town, and it does predate the birth of Dracula, who was born in this place. And apparently he lived here for about, I don't know, a few years before he moved. So quite an interesting town.
Moved up into his castle?
Moved, yes, that's right.
Okay.
That's right. So we will actually visit the place that Dracula was born in. I hear that is now converted to a little bit of a museum restaurant. So come along. Hey, can you imagine had I wore my stiletto shoes? Take a look. That would have been a bad idea.
Oh, you think you had to have a little bit of, RuPaul runway problems?
I think so. I absolutely think
Hey,
so.
here's the man himself. A statue.
Oh yeah, that is Vlad Tepes. 1431, 1476. Yeah, he was born here. He died when he was 45.
Yeah,
Wow.
man, I'm living longer than he did.
Yeah.
Visited the church on the hill in Sighisoara and the school on the hill, which is right beside it. I think it's actually a functioning public school. But you see the covered stairway in the background there, and now we're just taking a long way down.
So that's a quick look at Sighisoara. If you liked this episode, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Next week, we visit the city of Oradea, which is located in the northwest of Romania, also known for its Baroque and Art Nouveau architecture. I think it's one of the prettiest cities in Eastern Europe. I may be biased, but I think so. So we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.